Okay, this might sound crazy. It has nothing to do with this. Remember, I bought this bag while I was on my trip to South America. It's from Zara. It's like plastic. I don't know. It's amazing. So you see, it's green. It's green in here, and it's navy blue here. So I'm going to do a test. It's a double face. It's going to be, oh, I don't know, because the tag, but we can always take the tag out, and they have the little pouch. And this is the green side. You see, Zara Basic. The only thing that I have to do is get rid of this. It's double face. So now I can wear the green side as well as the blue side. Monty, what do you think, baby? You all know what this is. This is a picnic basket. Yeah, I got this for $4 at the thrift store. Look how cute. It came with the spoons and forks and knives here. And look how pretty. It came with 2 cups. I don't need it. I took them all out. I'm going to clean this. It's perfect condition and it's cute. And I am going to put all my makeup in here. Okay, this all has to change. Got my lipsticks, got my curls, I've got my beauty blenders, I've got my wipes, I've got an empty jar, some stuff here, and I've got some more makeup. My brushes, these buckets, I love them, my eyeshadows that I love, I have the creams, I have even the aluminum foil, my Gorilla, my camera there, and then I have my goodies here to do my necklace. It's a mess. It's a huge mess. And I'm going to fix that, and I'm going to show you what I did and what I am going to do to fix it. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work out the way, but I'm trying my best to put one thing. I still have to get this second row here and their tools and stuff like that. So let's see what I can do to improve it. Because at the same time that I don't want, ruin my painting, because I have my painting right over there. I need to settle that. So that's going to be maybe a part 1. There's going to be a part 2 and maybe a part 3. Because I want to get so much done. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, I'm still going to give Monty a bath, and let's see. So I got my basket full over there. I still have to get one of my, I might close that and put the basket on top. Let's see. You see, it's okay because it looks cute. It looks all right. It's not ready yet. This is the front row, but I still have to fix a lot of stuff. I still have a lot of things. This is not going to stay here. I can't. These are all eyeshadow sticks. These colors are gorgeous. I love. So you see this one? It's so nice. And I don't know. So I have to get rid of this gear here. I might put this on the lower one. Get rid of that. Fix this. I got all my lipsticks here that I'm going to put somewhere else. These are the ones that I am currently wearing. So let's see the product for the hair. Yeah, let's see. So I guess there's going to be a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7 until I get this all ready. And that's going to be it. So I'll see you on chapter 2.